Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 17 green screen problem. So guys, when you have updated your iPhone to iOS 17 and facing the issue that sometime your iPhone goes to green screen, so guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys, after opening your settings you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset all settings only. And guys, second step is you need to go back, and guys another is you need to check for update. So guys, if you have any kind of new update here like this, if you have updated your iPhone to iOS 17, then guys new version is launched, that is iOS 17 1.1 or iOS 17.2 beta. So guys, you need to update your iPhone from these updates, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to click on iPhone storage, and guys from here you need to delete your unused app that you are not using on iPhone, because it requires more storage, and guys because of storage full, then guys you will faces many problems in your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.